Hey guys, I am back on YouTube. It has been a long time. I remember one of my last YouTube videos being like 10 tips on how to start your freelance career. I can confirm they were good tips because I'm still freelance and loving it. So if you want a 5-year updated freelance career video, let me know in the comments. But yeah, since then a lot has changed. Like, I'm stood in my own house that Stefan and I bought together a year ago, and we're absolutely loving it. I don't know how we managed to do it. Both being freelance, like, honestly, it was a wild journey, but we got there in the end. I just want to take you on a renovation series on YouTube, really going through the highs and lows and literally throwing you into the deep end with me. Me and Steph have never done some form of like bigger renovation before. Obviously this room we just painted, styled, hung some things on the wall, got new lampshades. And the kitchen is our next big project, which is honestly going to be so transformational for this house. I'll give you a tour of that later. But yeah, I'm so excited to take you along the journey with me. So expect lots of renovation stuff. If anyone's got any tips or tricks, please let me know in the comments below. We are on an ordering spree at the moment. We've got 7 days until the builders are here. So I think we've got skirting boards left to do, doors to do. Do you need to get the doors straight away or can that wait? We've got to order the paint for the kitchen. Oh my God, it's feeling so real. It's feeling so real, guys. Fucking can't swear on here, shit. Oh. Stefan was like to me yesterday, when they start to demolish the kitchen and they shut off the water and like all of that, that is when it's going to start real, like that's when it's going to feel real for him. But for me, it's like the leading up to it is like, oh my God, we've got to make sure that everything's here they need to get the job done. Does that make sense? So like, it's feeling really real to me now with all the boxes here. Well, hello. Action?
Action.
So this is our current kitchen situation. When we bought the house, the kitchen had not been touched and the previous owners had a really nice like little dining area in here. So I'd love to show you a little kitchen tour, how we've been cooking, cleaning and just being in the heart of the home for the last year, which is quite, might be a bit of a shock to some people. We have been cooking on a camping stove.
We've been roughing it.
We have been roughing it, guys.
Sorry, I am also here.
An air fryer has been our oven, and being the chef of the relationship, I think I fucking nailed it, to be honest. Like, I think I've really done my fair share of cooking a roast in an air fryer, doing breakfast, lunches and dinners with only 2 hobs. So in a week, this whole space is being completely demolished. So everything is going. Everything that you see here is going. The shelves that were glued on, the hand-me-down furniture, the boxes are going upstairs. This kind of very small kitchen unit is going. And we've got master plans for this space. It's not very big, you know, it's kind of like, about 2 meters, 2.5 meters wide.
Is that the measure trick?
Yeah, like that is a meter from my nose to the end of my finger. Yes, it's probably about 2 meters wide and nearly 4 or 5 meters long. And we're doing some kind of minor floor plan change. Behind the staircase, you might be wondering where all our food is. Well, we have very luckily an under-stair pantry, which has been mine and Stefan's best friend actually. We store everything from paint, bags, wood, food, dry goods, alcohol, non-alcoholic spirits, everything. So that's been really useful. But what the plan is to make this corner of the kitchen more usable. So the previous owners had their fridge in this space. And I just thought it was just fairly awkward, and to be able to get into this space, if we wanted to use it to the configuration that we have here, your kind of surface would have to kind of stop around here to allow you to kind of go in and turn around. So what I thought was getting rid of this wall. So this is a fake wall. I hope it's not holding up the stairs. The builder said it wasn't, so that's good. Check your walls, people. And we're going to be moving the wall from here, probably just about past this arrow to about here. So yeah, about the door width. and that pantry is then going to be slithered. It's still going to be really deep underneath the stairs, but we're going to have a little door behind here so we can still access for hoovers and stuff like that. But basically what all that will do is then open up this whole corner so we can have our tall pantry cupboard and our fridge and our cooker all accessible in a linear shape. So our kitchen design is a big L shape, but the overall vibe is going to be bright but a bit more grounded in colour. So Stefan has said to me please could we have some colour incorporated into the space. And to be fair, we have been testing like very warm red tones throughout the space. So you might be able to see here, Steph pans, we've got really lovely kind of, I don't know if they're 80s, but red kind of tiles. A lot of my European friends from Berlin and Paris have come over and said, oh my God, I love the flooring. Personally for me, it's not really my style. So we've gone for a really lovely porcelain wood tile, which is going to be going throughout the hallway and this space. So I think we've gone for this shade. Nice honey, might be like a birch-esque. So we've gone for that. So that's going to be running all throughout the space and the hallway. We have gone for a mix of the neutral tones paired with beautiful, really, really dark cranberry, reddy brown shades with brass accents. This is a very rough mood board of materials that I just wanted to show you for the kitchen vibe so you can really see. This is our main kitchen unit. When I say unit, I mean doors. So this is the main colour. Some are going to be in this. This is also going to be the colour of our bar. And these are the tiles that we're going to be tiling along the wall. These are our brass switches. We've also gone for a brass tap. It's looking quite orange on here, but it is aged brass. And then, these are just some other colour samples that I got, some other tile samples, which we're not going to go for, but I just really liked this warm and kind of dark but cozy, yet still, vibrant vibe for the kitchen. Our best friends had done a kitchen renovation like 2 years ago, and they did IKEA skeletons, and then they got custom made doors by a brand called Custom Fronts. And honestly, it looks incredible. It doesn't actually feel or look like an IKEA kitchen, and they swear by it, and it was the most affordable, kind of cost-effective way to do a renovation if it's not really your forever home. So we've also gone with that plan, an amazing company called Plykea, that they're based in Hackney Wick, and they basically do custom-made bespoke door units and bespoke cabinetry if you did want that option as well. So we are working with them. We're really, really excited to have an IKEA skeleton, and then to get a really beautiful finish on the fronts and the doors and the handles. And we've worked with the design team over there, which has just been an incredible, incredible experience. But I am super nervous about it. Like, as I said, this is my first in-person, in real life design project in my own house. I studied interior and architecture at university, so I'm just literally digging all of the knowledge that I learned at uni and trying to put it into place. So it's all a bit scary, and Stefan is trusting me, and very grateful for that. But guys, that was the kind of tour. I hope that gives some insight as to how we have been cooking and living for the past year. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to subscribe. I would really, really appreciate the support.